Hello everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Welcome to day 13 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In day 12, you learned how to check in at a hotel.
And today, we're going to talk about plans in English.
This is very useful in real life because every day people talk about what they are going to do later today, tomorrow, or next weekend.
In today's lesson, I will be the person talking about my plans.
And I will be the person asking questions and talking about my plans too.
So today, you will learn how to say what you are going to do.
Let's start with the most important structure. If you want to talk about a future plan, you can say,
I'm going to study.
or,
I'm going to travel.
or.
I'm going to stay home.
Very good. This structure is very common and very easy to use.
You just say, I'm going to, and then the action.
For example, I'm going to work.
I'm going to visit my friend.
I'm going to watch TV.
I'm going to cook dinner.
Now let's learn a useful question. If you want to ask another person about their plans, you can say,
What are you going to do?
or more specifically,
What are you going to do tomorrow?
that is a very useful question because it helps you start a real conversation.
You can also talk about time with your plans. For example, tomorrow I'm going to study.
Next weekend, I'm going to travel.
Tonight, I'm going to relax.
After work, I'm going to go home.
Very good. These are simple phrases, but very useful.
In the next part, you're going to listen to a full conversation about plans. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to what we are going to do and when we are going to do it.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
So stay with us and let's continue. Now you're going to listen to a full conversation about plans. In these conversations, we are talking about what we are going to do later, tomorrow, and next weekend. Now you're going to listen to a full conversation about plans. In these conversations, we are talking about what we are going to do later, tomorrow, and next weekend.
That is very important because in the final part, you will answer using your own plans.
So first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Hey Jake,
Hey Emma,
what are you going to do today?
today I'm going to work.
Oh, really?
What are you going to do after work?
After work, I'm going to go home. Then I'm going to cook dinner.
Sounds good. Are you going to relax later?
Yes, I am. I'm going to watch TV tonight.
Nice.
What about you? What are you going to do today?
Today, I'm going to study. Then, I'm going to go to the gym.
That's great. Are you going to do anything tonight?
Yes, I'm going to meet a friend.
Nice. Now let's listen to another example.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to visit my friend.
Oh, nice. Where are you going to meet?
We're going to meet at a cafe.
That sounds nice.
And after that, I'm going to go shopping.
Very good. What about next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to travel.
Really? Where are you going to go?
I'm going to go to Barcelona.
That's exciting.
Yes, I'm very happy. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to study at home.
And next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to stay home and relax.
That sounds good too. Now one more example.
What are you going to do this evening?
This evening, I'm going to cook dinner.
And after that?
After that, I'm going to read a book.
Nice. What are you going to do tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to work.
And tomorrow afternoon?
I'm going to meet my sister.
Very nice.
Now, let's listen to one more short conversation.
What are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to visit my family.
Are you going to stay there all weekend?
Yes, I am.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to have lunch with them and relax.
That sounds lovely.
Thank you. So, in these conversations, we are always talking about future plans.
We are talking about today, tomorrow, tonight, and next weekend.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will talk about your own plans.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listened to the full conversation, let's practice the most useful phrases together.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak, and don't worry about being perfect.
I'm going to work.
I'm going to study.
I'm going to go home.
I'm going to cook dinner.
I'm going to watch TV tonight.
I'm going to meet a friend.
I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
Next weekend, I'm going to travel.
I'm going to stay home and relax.
Very good.
Now, let's practice a few longer phrases.
After work, I'm going to go home.
Then, I'm going to go to the gym.
We're going to meet at a cafe.
This evening, I'm going to cook dinner.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to work.
Tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to meet my sister.
Excellent.
Now it's your turn. This time, answer with your own ideas.
What are you going to do today?
What are you going to do tonight?
What are you going to do tomorrow?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Take your time and answer out loud.
Now one more time, a little faster.
What are you going to do after work or school?
Who are you going to meet this week?
Are you going to stay home tonight?
Where are you going to go next weekend?
Very good. Today, you learned how to talk about your plans in English.
And this is only day 13.
Tomorrow, we're going to talk about the past in English.
So you can say simple things like, I went to the park.
I stayed home.
And what did you do yesterday?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 14.
See you tomorrow.